future internet, a lot of technology we're talking about will be available, like IPv6 connectivity, and smart devices can finally enter the internet. I hope there will be great interoperability through IPv6 protocols, but also through new HTML standards.
I think we should get to connectivity for everybody everywhere, independent of what kind of network or what kind of provider you are booked with. So it should just work. Ordinary people should not be bothered with whether it is Wi-Fi or cellular or Bluetooth or whatever you have. Just switch on your device and get the information that you want everywhere at any time.
We need to take care about privacy things. I think what is important is that I need to get confident on where my private data are located, and the easiest central point for me concerning the privacy management is at home. In fact, what will be our privacy when it will be only managed at cloud level? So we have to have that also in mind. So, great challenge in front of us, and I'm sure that future of internet will be very attractive and challenging, and make our life easier.
I would like to see in the near future an internet that is devoted to people, to communities. I mean, people over the worldwide scale. I suppose and I strongly believe that people need to connect aside the difference of languages, cultures, and I suppose that a good internet could make internet working between communities and people. So I'm sure that we should forget for a while technology and services and think of societal needs.
I think the internet holds a lot for the future, but in terms of the Paradiso project, I'd like to see the internet being used to help make growth equitable and allow for those that have been excluded from development and economic growth to participate and benefit from the fruits of that growth.
What does the internet mean to me, and what do I expect from the internet? We expect a lot of things. We see the world coming together, becoming one, shrinking so that people who would have never thought could communicate, can communicate. I hope it becomes the interface for stronger cooperation and partnerships in the world in all fields, science and tech, humanities, social sciences.
Well, for me, the internet has to be more accessible for the future, especially for the rural area where I work. And I know several experiences of people that still are afraid of technology. And internet being such an important medium to improve and development should be accessible and understandable.
I think within 20 years the international relations will definitely change big time, because Asia is coming up, Europe is declining in research and development, and unfortunately we are not able to cope with them. I think the biggest challenge of the European Union is to keep investing in research and development, despite the fact that we are in deficit times now, and that research and development is flowing away from our continent. I also think that education is the main key for research and development, which means that it has to be possible for everybody to study, regardless of where you come from and what your financial background is. Currently, this is only in Sweden and in the Netherlands a little bit possible for people with a negative financial background, and I think that's the main key to keep research and development up to date.